How to route full pitch through dovetails on the Lee RTJ400. The RTJ400 makes it easy to route through dovetails. The RTJ400 routes through dovetails at two different pitches. Full pitch through dovetails are at approximately 1.5 inch centers, and half pitch are approximately 3/4 of an inch. With full pitch through dovetails, the pin board fits into the tailboard, and both sides of the joint show. The RTJ400 can produce 5 different full pitch through dovetails for board thicknesses from 1/8 of an inch to 13/16 of an inch, in board widths up to 16 inches wide, using the 5 available Lee dovetail bits. All through dovetail pins are routed with the included Lee No. 160 1/2-inch straight bit. The patented Lee E10 guide bushing is used to route both the tailboards and pin boards. As with all joinery on the RTJ400, on-jig quick reference strips walk you through the easy steps to make the joint. Tails are routed by inserting the frame pins in the all TD tails position. The tailboard is centered on the jig and clamped in place. Then the adjustable side stop is positioned against the tailboard and tightened with the hex key. Because routing is done in every other template opening, Lee provides blockers to prevent routing in the wrong comb opening. A backer board is used to help prevent tear out. Routing is done in every other template opening. To route the pin boards, the frame is rotated to the TD pins mode. The frame pin positions are determined by the diameter of the dovetail bit used to route the tails. In this case, 1/2 inch. All full pitch pin boards are routed with the included Lee No. 160 1/2-inch straight bit. The pin board is inserted flush on the template with its edge against the side stop and clamped in place. A new backer board is inserted. Routing is done in all template openings. When routing is complete, the pins will be perfectly formed. The pin board is then removed and the joint is put together. Any necessary joint fit adjustment is made with the Lee E10 guide bushing. The patented Lee E10 guide bushing is unique and offers extremely precise joint fit adjustments. The barrel of the E-bush is not round, but rather it is elliptical in shape. Because of this, as the E-bushes turn from its mid-5 reference mark, the active diameter of the E-bush increases or decreases, resulting in a tighter or looser joint. The diameter of the E-bush is widest at the number 10 setting. At this setting, the effective diameter of the E10 guide bushing is 5/8 of an inch. Rotating the E-bush from the number 10 setting to the 0 setting reduces the effective diameter by 20/1000 of an inch. As the RTJ400 template moves over the E-bush, more wood is removed, resulting in wider sockets and narrower pins. Each increment on the E-bush changes the effective diameter by 2/1000 of an inch. Half an increment changes the fit by an incredible 1/1000 of an inch. By starting at the mid-setting of 5, you can quickly route larger or smaller pins and sockets until the perfect fit is achieved. Settings are recorded in the user guide and on the quick reference strip for easy repeatability the next time you route through dovetails on the RTJ400. For more information on the RTJ400, go to leejigs.com. All Lee products carry a full 5-year warranty. Lee products are available worldwide through our network of dealers and distributors.